Factories are evolving at an unprecedented pace, driven by new demands and digital breakthroughs. Success now hinges on the ability of frontline workers to access critical information, expertise, and operational tools instantly. Modern manufacturing is no longer just about machines, it's about people empowered by technology. ARC Advisory Group's latest research shines a spotlight on the technologies redefining how teams collaborate, learn, and execute. Their MarketMap, Digital Worker Technologies for Manufacturing 2026 dives deep into the tools and suppliers shaping tomorrow's shop floor. From AI-powered analytics to the seamless connectivity of industrial IoT and efficient mobile platforms, frontline operations are becoming smarter, more agile, and more cohesive than ever before. As these innovations take hold, market demand is projected to grow more than 11% over the next 5 years. The future belongs to manufacturers who harness these capabilities for their workforce, leveraging digital skills, smarter workflows, and actionable knowledge right where it matters most. Discover which technology leaders are setting the standard and find out which solutions can drive lasting productivity gains for your organization. ARC's MarketMap offers clarity on what matters most for your digital workforce strategy and where you can gain a competitive edge. Step forward with the confidence to transform. For deeper insights and actionable research, explore the ARC MarketMap for digital worker technologies and learn more at arcweb.com.